I got some pretty exciting mail today, some happy mail. If you know me, you know I love to plan. That is one of my self-care strategies that I really, really love. And I have a favorite company that has my planner that I love. It's called Erin Condren. And I was just going to show you my planner real quick. This is my Erin Condren planner. I use the Daily Duo because I like to have a daily page for every day. So let me show you. They're set out like this. They have like the hours on the one side and the to-do list on the other and some space at the bottom. Because I have so much to do, I really love this planner. They have a lot of other layouts too. One of the things I love about it is how customizable it is. You can choose your cover, you can put your name on it, you can choose what color binding you want. They even have soft-bound ones now, and what layouts you like. So if you're looking for a good planner, if you want to invest in yourself and in your self-care, I really, really recommend the Erin Condren planners. There is a link in my bio if you want to check them out. And so today, what we're doing is every season they send out, they have a seasonal surprise box. And now this can be full of exclusive things that are sneak peeks that are going to come out sometime, and other things on their website and in their store. And so I've never gotten one before. This is my first one, and I'm really excited. You get a lot of worth for only $40. And this is the box. Isn't it beautiful? And I'm going to do an unboxing with you. So I haven't opened this yet. Let's get started. Okay, you gotta love the inside of the box. You see that? It's so pretty. That's what it looks like. It says, "Somewhere over the rainbow is a new beginning waiting for you." Very, very pretty. I'm seeing the rainbow theme already. This little booklet is in there to show me what is in the seasonal surprise box and what the worth is and whether or not it's exclusive or sneak peek and that type of thing. So we're gonna open it up. We'll hold it up here. Isn't it pretty? I'm gonna open it up. Ooh. Okay, so this is a smaller size. I think it's an A5 size of book. It's a daily focus journal. It's got the same saying on the cover. Beautiful. It looks like it's got 3 months of daily intention journaling with weekly reflections, 3 tabbed sections, note pages, and reflection pages. So as I open it up, it looks like it's got a how to use this journal. Look how pretty the watercolor is on the inside. Gotta love it. I love this new theme. And so if you open it up, it looks like it tells you, like how to use it. It looks like it's also somewhat of a goal journal, which I'm really excited about. This is something I really love to do, is make goals. And so it has you fill it out, like things that work for you and things that don't work for you and what goals you want to have. And then it has daily spreads of what I focused on today. And then it has a prompt. This one says how I took care of myself today, how was I compassionate with myself today, And it looks like every page has another prompt. They might repeat, but that's awesome. I'm excited. I've been thinking about getting back into journaling, so that'll be good. Okay, the next thing I have is this beautiful, let me take it out of the bag. This beautiful, looks like a little bag. It's a mesh tote. Isn't that cute? I love the mid-century circles on the bottom. It's mesh. It'll be handy for really anything. I just need a good bag. So that's a cute one. We'll go on to what I see next. Ooh, some fine-tipped markers. These look really cute. I'm gonna look in here. So it says that the Daily Focus Journal is exclusive. If you have any questions, write them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. The tote bag is exclusive. The markers are exclusive colors. So I think they just came out with their fine-tipped markers. But these are exclusive colors, so that's fun. I'm excited to see how those work. The next thing I've got, it's a sunglass and mask keychain. That's kind of cool. That's very thoughtful. I don't know if I'll use it, but I'll see if I like it. I guess if I don't use it for that, I could use it as a necklace too. Very cute. There's always some exclusive stickers. So these stickers are like watercolor. You can see. They seem to match the journal really well with this whole watercolor rainbow theme is really, really pretty. I'm digging that. Next we have some vegan leather adhesive tabs. So I think this was one of the sneak peeks. I don't know how well you can see it. Sorry, my window's making it shiny. But it's got the days of the month and they're foldable tabs. They're leather, vegan leather, for you to put on things. And so this actually might work really well with, sorry. I just showed you the tabs. I'm excited to use those. And last, I think, this is the last thing in the box. Ooh, it's a daily planning notepad. So it's got your to-dos over here and your today's top 3. I love it when they do the top 3. I love doing that. And then some open spots. And it's a notepad, so you can change up the way you plan if you want. I'm gonna definitely probably use this for some of my work stuff. So that is the box. I'm really excited about it. I'll let you know what I think about it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and yeah, try out Erin Condren if you haven't, you guys. Link in my bio. You won't regret it.